my name is Ryan Tumbleson. I am a senior in the Honors Tutorial College for Engineering Physics. So this past summer I was able to go to Argonne National Lab and I worked there with Dr. Saw-Wai Hla. And his work was using scanning tunneling microscopy to look at single molecule machines. So something that's really fascinating to me about this research is we're trying to control very basic things. Whether it's just a single switch or a single motion that's occurring. But whenever you take it to a large scale, whenever you have millions and billions of molecules, you can actually get something that's very powerful. One of the major applications with the research that I do is quantum computing, so trying to take the computing power that we have now and then increase it exponentially by making smaller and smaller bits and the components that go within it. What inspired me to get into this research was initially my first experience with Argonne. I was kind of taken back by all of the scientists around me and how amazing of collaborations and how exciting the research was that they were doing. That combined with how interesting and how groundbreaking all of the research is that's being done, it really just drove me to keep going forward with it. Something that was really important to me about this summer intern experience was really just seeing what real research looks like. Before I went to Argonne National Lab, I didn't really know what a scientist really did or what that would look like, especially research, trying to understand things that you don't know. And that really shed a lot of light onto what it looks like, how it's done, and how I need to gear my future education to actually be beneficial and allow me to do that. My experience at Argonne National Lab was really fundamental and very useful to my undergraduate education as a whole. It really adds a different aspect to all of my coursework and kind of gives me an idea of how things are applied and what things are really important about the material that I'm learning, so I know what is important, what is not, and how can I pursue it further and how to ask solid questions that are beneficial. I think the main reason why I chose to do physics as opposed to any other field is just how much is unknown still out there. It's very exciting to kind of take apart and see what you can do to further our understanding of everything.